Hello guys, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. Getting good and clear photo is a little tricky to do, but everything will be easy if we can lock the focus of the camera on the object that we will photograph so that the result of the photo are sharp and clear. So now I'm gonna show you how to lock the focus of the camera on the object on Infinix GT 10 Pro. Alright, firstly go to camera and then you have to aim the camera to the object that you want to take the picture of. Alright, for focusing the camera and lock it, you have to long press until the word AF and AE lock appeared on the top. And then you can take the picture and then you can see the result and your photo will be focused and sharp and also clear. Alright, here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.